Hello everyone, welcome back to AAS Publishing. Today we're going to do a whirlwind tour of the Astronomy Image Explorer. So the AAS journals are one class of a digital resource at your disposal as a scientist, and there are others. One of those is the AIE, or the Astronomy Image Explorer, and it's a tool to access images, videos, worldwide telescope, that have been published in peer-reviewed journals. The URL is given there, www.astroexplorer.org. And so one can search for images by author, by journal, by citation, by format, by keywords, and then one can download high-resolution images or view the image within the journal article itself. One may want to do this for talks, for example. So let's do an example of one. So let's pull that up. So there we go. There's the Astronomy Image Explorer. And on the left, you can define your search there. You can search for a title, an abstract, an author. There's a number of the journals there. Over 500,000 images in the APJ, another 100,000 in AJ, 64,000 in the supplement, 46,000 there in the letters. New images are added with every new volume that comes out. You can search for content type, images, videos, figure sets. We're going to do examples. You can also pump in a DOI if you know that, the volume, unique ID, and a wide range of search terms. So let me give an example of one. We had a really lovely R-Process meeting in Tempe in March 2019, and I saw an image from Ashley Villar's talk on GW 170817, and I would really like to get that image to put it in my talk. So how would I go about getting that image? Well, let's search for Ashley Villar. We search there, and we got 526 images. Okay, so let's cut that down a little bit. Since I know it was GW 170817, that was probably published after 2017, so I'm going to slide the slider over, 2017, and let's see what we got. You can see now I'm searching by author and by range, and I will scroll till I see the image that I got. I like to do 200. So we slide down. That one's close. Not what I saw though in her talk. Sliding down, sliding down, sliding down. This one. This is the one I saw in her talk. So we click on that image, and this is the combined UV optical and NIR light curves of the kilonova associated with GW 170817. So this is the image I want, and I can do all kinds of things. I can view the article up here. I can download a high-resolution image. I can export that image in PDF. It's actually a PDF container with the image embedded within it. You can download a PowerPoint format if you like, convert that to Keynote if you want. So I will download that image. So I will click on that image, and I will download it. Click, boom, and I pop it into my presentation. Voila! And so I've got Villar et al., APJ letters, 85121, 2017, and those are the light curves as a function of time. So there's one example of how to get an image quickly and easily using the Astronomy Image Explorer into your talk. It's also useful for teaching purposes. You can do videos. Videos are available from the published journal article. And let's do an example of one. So this is, I will be giving a course on the sun here, or a class on the sun within my planets course. And I wanted to show something about a limb flare. And so I did a little search on that. Let's go to it. And let's see, bring that up. Okay, let's go back. And I want to search on video, so I click the video button. And there's a variety of visualizations that you can do there. A lot of solar, a lot of X-ray stuff, and the one I happened to pick was on 2019, and I believe I ended up using that one. So I clicked it, I moved to the article, I downloaded the MP4 video, and I popped it into my presentation. This is Hernandez Perez et al., APJ 874-122, 2019. This is a limb flare in a couple of different X-ray bands. And so the X and Y positions are the arc seconds, so showing the position on the sky. Those are the light curves in the upper bar, and then the images of the event as we get the limb flare here in about 3 or 4 seconds. We'll let it flare, and bang, and we saturate the pixels, and away it goes on the light curve. Very cool. Very easy to pop in a video for your teaching. So coming soon is the IAE will recognize astronomically tagged images. The data is going to come from the Zooniverse project, and you can feed those images directly into the AAS Worldwide Telescope. So let's do a quick example of that. So let's pull up, let's go back, and right here, images with astrometry. So these are test images, so I'm just doing it as an example. Let's do one with the Cygnus Loop. So I will pick on the Cygnus Loop, and I want to view in the WWT. Click on that, away we go. Finds the coordinates, zooms in, there's the Cygnus Loop, and bam, overlays the image on the sky, and then you have a whole number of tools within the Worldwide Telescope, which should definitely be a topic for a future YouTube video here. Okay, so very good. Good to have that in. And also coming soon, the Astronomy Image Explorer goes back to the start of the digital era, so about 1995 or so. Of course, astronomy did not start in 1995. There's lots of pre-stuff, 1995. And so those pre-1995 images could be replaced with a large number of images from our journals. And there's a project going on, the Astronomy Rewind project. And so, for example, there's a number of famous images that can be useful for putting into talks or teaching. I happen to pick the Hulse-Taylor pulsar here in your letter, 1952, letter 52, showing the phase as a function of the radial velocity, and this was the famous Hulse and Pulse-Taylor. So that's our whirlwind tour of the Astronomy Image Explorer. Let us know what you think about it. Drop us a line at aie@aas.org, or send one of your scientific editors or data editors an email message, and we'd be happy to engage. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.